Making AI songs today is honestly the easy part. Platforms like Suno can generate full tracks in seconds that already sound surprisingly polished. The real challenge begins when you try to pair that song with visuals that actually feel intentional, emotional, and synchronized with the music. Most creators either spend days editing manually or end up with random clips that do not really match the energy of the track. So in this walkthrough, I want to show you a clean, creator-friendly workflow that turns your AI song into a cinematic music video in just a few minutes like this.
Walking under neon lights, dreams too big to sleep tonight. Every step feels closer now.
What makes this powerful is that we are not just generating random footage. We are building a visual story that respects the rhythm, mood, and identity of the music itself. From the audio to the final scenes, everything you saw was fully AI generated, but still feels directed and purposeful. Let's start from the foundation. The first step is generating your track inside Suno. When I approach this stage, I do not just think about creating any song. I think about the emotional direction first because your visuals will later depend heavily on this decision. For example, a high-energy trap track demands very different visuals compared to a slow, emotional ballad. So before you even open Suno, take a moment to lock in your genre, tempo feel, and overall mood. If you are stuck creatively, this is where ChatGPT becomes your brainstorming partner. You can ask it for genre ideas, song concepts, or even full structured lyrics. The goal here is to walk into Suno with clarity instead of guessing. Enter your well-crafted lyrics, define the style, choose the vocal gender, and add a song title. Once your concept feels solid, go ahead and generate your track. For this demonstration, I will choose this track, and the key thing I paid attention to was the sonic identity. Listen for the pacing of the beat, where the chorus hits, and the emotional tone of the vocals. These details matter because later, your scene changes and visual intensity should follow the music's energy curve. Think of the song as the blueprint and the video as the architecture built on top of it. Now that the audio foundation is ready, we move into the visual engine. To bring the song to life visually, we are using Katalist AI. What makes Katalist different from most video generators is control and consistency. Many tools spit out disconnected clips that look good individually but fall apart when you try to build a coherent music video. Katalist is designed more like a storytelling workspace, where your characters, environments, and visual style can remain consistent across the entire project. That consistency is exactly what gives your final video a professional feel. When you first enter Katalist, go ahead and create a blank project and give it a meaningful name. I always recommend naming projects based on the song title because once you start producing multiple videos, organization becomes extremely important. Next, choose your aspect ratio. For YouTube music videos, 16:9 is the standard cinematic frame. This ensures your video fills the screen properly and looks native to the platform. Now comes one of the most creative decisions in the entire workflow, selecting your visual style. This is not just about what looks cool. This choice should reflect the musical identity of your track. Cinematic works beautifully for emotional, dramatic, or storytelling songs. Once you click Create, you enter the main Katalist workspace where the real magic begins. From here, you are no longer just generating clips, you are directing a music video. This workspace is where you'll build every scene based on your lyrics. You can even add a character or specific location to keep the setting consistent. The process is simple. Start by creating your first scene. Think of it as your establishing shot that sets the mood for the entire music video. Keep your prompt simple but cinematic. For example, you might write, "A female singer walking alone under city streetlights at night." Focus on the subject, environment, lighting, and overall vibe rather than overloading the prompt. Once the frame generates, take a second to evaluate it like a director. Does it match the mood of your intro? Does the lighting feel right for the music? If something feels off, use Regenerate or the Edit tools to refine instead of settling too quickly. A powerful move here is tagging your character. When you lock in a good character, tag and reuse them across scenes so your video stays visually consistent instead of changing faces every shot. From there, move to the next scene and keep building the story in the order of your song. Let the beat and lyrics guide how the visuals evolve. To make this much easier, you can paste your lyrics into ChatGPT and ask it to generate short cinematic prompts for each part of the song. This gives you connected scene ideas and saves you from excessive regenerating. Then simply repeat the process frame by frame until your full storyboard matches the progression of your track. Step 4. Animating with Google Veo 3. Now for the magic, turning those still images into smooth, high-end video. Switch over to the timeline view. From here, we will convert all our scenes into motion using Google Veo 3. This model is world-class for generating cinematic movement. Preview each scene to ensure the animation flows perfectly with the energy of the music. Step 5. The final assembly. Here is the interesting part, bringing the audio and video together. Click the audio icon and upload your Suno-generated track. Let's preview a bit. Everything is looking sharp. The timing is synced, the visuals are consistent, and the quality is top tier. Once you're happy, hit export as the video, and you're done. Here is the final result.
Walking under neon lights, dreams too big to sleep tonight. Every step feels closer now to the life.
We just went from a blank screen to a full cinematic music video using nothing but AI. The barrier to entry for creators is officially gone. Whether you are a musician or a content creator, Katalist AI can now act as your personal production studio. You will find the link in the description below. Go try Katalist AI and drop the video you create in the comments so everyone can see what you built. If you want my exact prompts and deeper step-by-step breakdowns, join my Telegram channel. That is where I share my real workflows to help you build a faceless empire. I will see you in the next video.